Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what we're doing this time around is we've got a 2014 Mark 7 VW Golf, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, not replace, but clean the Haldex pump. Okay, the Haldex pump, we're going to clean it out. If you want to, you can go ahead and replace it. Okay, but let's try cleaning it out and let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Okay, what we're going to do now is we are going to drain the oil, the gear oil, okay, the diff oil. Actually, the gearbox is in the front there, but the rear diff oil, we're going to drain that. So we've got the filler there, drain here, and I think it's a little Allen key which somebody has chewed up for me. Okay, so I would say it's a size 5 or a 6 Allen key. Let's take that off. Okay guys, sit rep. The situation report is this one, like I mentioned, somebody's chewed it up for me, the Allen key, and it's not coming off, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, I could take it off by chiseling it off, but if you chisel it off, obviously you'll need another bolt to there, another sump plug there, you know, messing about. We'll leave it. I managed to take the filler plug off. Okay, so that's good. So what we'll do is we'll take the Haldex pump off, so then that way it will drain out through the Haldex pump. Okay, whatever we can get out, we'll get out through the Haldex pump. We'll clean the Haldex pump out, and then we will go and re-top it up, and it should be okay. Okay, but highly recommended is you try taking that off. So what I would do is, if it was me, I would get another sump plug, chisel that one off, get another sump plug, and then bang the new sump plug back on. So right, let's do that. Let's take this pump off. Okay, I'll be straight up honest with you, I don't really do automatics or anything like this, right? Okay, but let's see what happens on this one. It doesn't look like a major, you know, job. Okay, 2 bolts, it looks like 2 bolts, and it should be that. So first things first, okay, we'll go ahead and take this bolt off here, 10 milli bolt. Then we'll go ahead and take that 10 milli bolt off there, and we'll see what happens after that. Okay, so I've already cracked them, so I'm taking this one off and this one off. Hopefully after taking them 2 off, I'm guessing there's only 2 because I can't see a third one. Okay, after taking these 2 off, it should give a little, you know, little tap. You should have a wiring connector, I'm pretty sure, on the top. And that's about it, I think. We'll take this one off here. Okay. Okay, them 2 are off, them 2 bolts are off. We need to go to this side, this little ECU unit here, and there's a little plug right there. Okay, for me, I'll be straight up honest with you, the clip's already broken. Okay, so mine will just come off straight off like that. But it is one of them VW style clips. Just ping it off, that should come off. And the wire is connected to the diff. Okay, so we're just going to pull the wire off as well. And we'll go from there. Pull the wire off. Basically, I can't really show you that, but there's the wire, and it's connected to the diff kind of thing. Okay, with little clips and things on that. We'll just pry them off. Happy days, that should come off. So as for the wire, as you can see there, I've already took that one off from there. Here, same thing, it just pushes onto the diff. So we just get a flat screwdriver in there and just give a little ping. It should come off. There we go. That one's off as well, as you can see there. Right, let's see if this pump comes off. Okay, so now, in theory, that should just come off. It might put up a little bit of a fight, but as you can see there, it's moving. The whole ramp is moving. Okay, so we don't want the car falling on my head. Okay, that's going to be a disaster. Right, so as you can see there, I'm going to put the camera down. Okay, and I'm going to take that off. As you can see there, look, check that off. See that? It's coming off. So let's do that. Okay, let's take that off. As you can see, it's leaking as well. So I'm going to put the camera down, take that off, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys? Yeah, just pull it basically. Okay, now that we have got the pump off, what we're going to do now is this little filter here, we'll take that off. Torx 10 you need to take that little screw off, and that little screw off. Torx 10, let's take them 2 off, and let's see what's inside there. So Torx 10, just take that off, take the other one off, and we'll go from there. Okay, all clean. I've cleaned the filter and everything. It wasn't that dirty anyway, but if you want to replace the Haldex unit, you can do that. It's exactly the same process. So we'll put that back on. put them 2 little screws back on. Let's get this back on the car, and hopefully that should be that. Okay guys, everything is on. I just fitted it in reverse order. You can't really get it wrong. It's only 2 bolts, this one, and the wiring plug. That's about it. So that's on. What I've done with this wiring plug, because somebody in the past broke the clip, what I have done is I put a cable tie around it through the plug, okay, through this module, so it can't come off anymore. Happy days, strong, rock solid. Let's send it down. Let's see what's what. Let's go. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replace the Haldex pump on a VW Golf Mark 7, Golf R that is. I'm at home. I forgot to do the outro, so I'm going to do it at home. That's how we replace it, and it's dead easy. Right? If you want to replace it, if you want to clean it out, whatever you want to do with it, that's how we do it. Anyway, guys, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R for UL. We'll see you guys next time.